The 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo S presents a fresh evolution of sheer engineering brilliance, where tradition and technology blend into a machine that feels both timeless and futuristic. It doesn't scream for attention through wild design gimmicks but rather commands respect with familiar lines, subtly enhanced to speak the language of speed. The signature wide rear arches remain unmistakable, housing massive wheels that grip the tarmac with authority. Matrix LED headlights, a more aggressive front apron, and a light bar running across the rear tie the classic Porsche silhouette to the modern era of performance coupes. Aerodynamics are more refined, not exaggerated. Every vent, every curve serves a purpose. Retractable spoilers, new underbody aerotech, and active cooling flaps ensure that the car slices through the air with minimal resistance and maximum downforce, while still maintaining that elegant 911 profile. Slide inside and the cabin feels like stepping into a premium fighter cockpit, one that's obsessed with the driver's experience. High-resolution digital displays replace most traditional dials, but Porsche cleverly maintains a central analog tachometer, a nod to purists. The infotainment system is fluid, intuitive, and deeply integrated into the car's dynamic systems, allowing real-time adjustments to suspension, engine mapping, and even active aero components. Materials inside are an artful blend of carbon fiber, fine leather, and Alcantara. The seats, designed for both long-distance comfort and track-day grip, now come with built-in climate control and massage functions, bringing a level of luxury one wouldn't expect in such a savage performer. Ambient lighting, voice control with natural language processing, and wireless updates add the modern conveniences without compromising the raw driving vibe. Performance remains the cornerstone of the 911 Turbo S legacy, and the 2026 model doesn't just meet expectations, it obliterates them. Under the sculpted rear sits a reworked 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged flat-6 engine. Output is now pushing close to 670 horsepower, thanks to enhanced turbocharging systems, revised engine internals, and upgraded intercooling. The result is a 0 to 100 km/h launch in just 2.4 seconds, made possible by the lightning-fast 8-speed PDK dual-clutch transmission and intelligent all-wheel drive system that constantly adjusts torque split for maximum grip. Porsche's dynamic chassis control and active suspension management work in harmony with rear axle steering and torque vectoring to deliver handling that borders on supernatural, especially when carving through tight corners at speed. The exhaust note, now tunable between stealth and symphony, adds another layer to the experience. Fuel economy wasn't ignored either. While nobody buys a Turbo S to save fuel, Porsche engineers have included mild hybridization with a 48-volt system that supports low-speed efficiency and improves engine responsiveness. This subtle hybrid boost helps in urban environments and stop-and-go traffic, while regenerative braking stores energy that would otherwise be wasted. It's not about being green. It's about being smart, ensuring this car is ready for the performance demands of the future without losing its soul. Technology seeps through every inch of the new Turbo S. An advanced driver assist suite now includes adaptive cruise with predictive cornering data, automated lane centering for long-haul comfort, and emergency evasive steering support. Porsche's new Vision Drive HUD system projects navigation and performance data directly onto the windshield in augmented reality, while the onboard AI learns driver behavior to tailor responses accordingly. Over-the-air updates keep the system sharp, introducing new features even after purchase. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, but Porsche's native OS runs smoother and more responsively than ever before, syncing seamlessly with the upgraded Bose or optional Burmester sound system. Hidden within the vast menu of customizable options are performance packages that further sharpen the already razor-edge dynamics. A lightweight package trims off over 30 kilograms with the use of thinner glass, reduced insulation, and bucket seats. The Sport Chrono package enhances throttle response, adds launch control modes, and includes a drift analyzer for those who dare take it to the edge. There's even a track precision app integrated directly into the car's system that records telemetry, lap data, and video through onboard cameras. This isn't just a car, it's a learning tool for serious drivers. Price-wise, the 2026 Turbo S doesn't shy away from its premium identity. With a starting point just above $230,000, it reflects the engineering, heritage, and precision packed within. Yet, it's still more accessible and livable than most supercars, offering real-world usability. It can be daily driven, it can devour a racetrack, and it can look dignified parked outside a 5-star hotel or tearing through mountain passes. What makes the new Turbo S truly unforgettable isn't just the numbers or the tech. It's how it makes the driver feel. There's a visceral connection to the road that hasn't been lost, even as the car becomes smarter, faster, and more digitally integrated. The steering remains telepathic. The throttle reacts like a muscle fiber. The brakes feel like they could stop time itself. And the whole machine feels like an extension of the driver's intent, never intrusive, always intuitive. Porsche has managed to respect its iconic formula while updating every molecule of the car to reflect the demands of a new age. It doesn't shout. It doesn't dance for attention. It just arrives, performs, and leaves jaws dropped. The 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo S isn't just a benchmark, it's a reminder of what happens when performance, luxury, and engineering obsession unite.